Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my ginger bread and jelly bean, welcome back to JVLOGS. This is Mark speaking. Now it is actually, let me see, 9:56 p.m. in the night, and look at this light. Check it out. Check out the feet. Check out the boy feet. Check out the fat nose. Hey. Oh yes. So I did a little investment into my YouTube, and I bought a light. This is the light that's shining right now. It's artificial light. It's kind of bright, but yeah, that's the light right there. Let me turn it off and show you guys. So that's the light right there. Boom. So I have the artificial light, and I also invested in a webcam. So I'll be able to do live streaming. So that is one thing I want to share with you guys. I'll also be able to do live streaming now. So I'll let you guys know when I'm doing the live streaming, so you guys can jump on board and, you know, watch a live stream, you know, as I carry on and stuff. But what I want to say is thanks for watching JVLOGS. Thanks for jumping over to the new channel. Thanks for all the support that you have given me. My channel is growing, you know, bit by bit, and I'm continuing to do, you know, this what I love, to encourage and motivate people, and also share, you know, a part of myself on this platform, you know. So I just want you guys to journey with me, and I really appreciate it. And the light, you know, even though it make me sweat and stuff, but you know, I'm just happy that I have that now, and I can, you know, be able to live or make these vlogs in the night time. Now, it's not perfect or anything, but it's a start. So, you know, I hope you guys appreciate it, and just leave your comments, give me a thumbs up if it's okay, if it's, you know, and stuff like that. Also with the live, you know, give me a thumbs up if you want me to do more live, or if you have any special topics that you want me to talk about or address or comment on. Feel free to let me know in the description below. You know, just interact with me, because I really love that. That's one of the things I love about YouTube, being able to comment and interact and share and give advice and stuff like that. So thanks for watching JVLOGS again, guys. I'm going to edit this right now and upload it to the channel. So thanks for watching. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of the night. I'm gone.